Hey guys, today I have a Maytag washer and electric dryer set, and we've got the washer set up and going right now. We've got it set on a quick wash setting. I went through and was able to change all these to the max spin speed, warm on temperature, and light on soil, so it'd get through this about as fast as it can. You can see it's showing about a mid-level, which is what I set the water usage to. If you hit deep fill, it has an auto, medium, full, or max setting on the water. So I set it to medium, which is kind of the smallest level, and you'll see it'll be plenty full on this heavy towel load here. Max is literally all the way full of water, things just kind of swimming around, and we don't need all of that. You've got a little tray right there where you slide out and put your soaps in. It's running water through that right now and out. You've also got an additional little nozzle there that you can shoot water out of with the press of a button. Tons of different options on here. So I'm going to show you that as if you were standing here yourself checking it out, you get to see with this video that everything's working perfect, that it agitates correctly, drains, and has a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. All things you'd want to see if you're standing here yourself checking it out. You get to see that in this video. Then when it's all done here, we're going to move the clothes over to the dryer, and I'll show you that the dryer's working perfectly. So we'll let that fill up with water, and we'll come back. All right, now it's done filling up with water. It started agitating. It's going through its cycle of kind of soaking for a minute. All right, we are draining and extracting the wash water. All right, getting up to full speed on the final spin cycle. Here, running the drain. Spinning super fast. Nice smooth operation. And it sounds great. All right, I'll let that finish up and we'll get the clothes moved over to the dryer. All right, we have the washer cleaned and cleared out now. You see that nice huge capacity on the washer itself. Get it turned off. Come over here to the matching electric dryer. Got the clothes running in there. And we've got this set just to a regular cycle. I did kick the heat up all the way. And then you've got a dryness setting, wrinkle prevent, and a few different other options here. Tons of options. Nice big display here telling you how much time is left. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, we get a surface temperature measurement. So it's 70 degrees on top of the dryer. The carpeted floor is about 67 degrees. You can see everything tumbling around in there. Go ahead and open this up. Right where the heat kicks out there, you can see it's nice and hot. And then that heat's gonna mix up with the clothes and then exit right here. So you wanna make sure you've got a nice clean lint trap for that air to travel through, and then out, down and out the back of your dryer. So I'm gonna close that up, come up here and you hold to start. Actually, to resume, you just push start. To start it the very first time, you hold for 3 seconds and it does a little countdown. But you can see tons of options right there. Not exactly sure what the extra power button does. I think maybe it's just more or less fun to press. But anyway, that's gonna do it on this set here. I'll go ahead and get them listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.